La ilaha, la ilaha, la ilaha, la ilaha, la ilaha.
Let us take some comments from the special guests that are here. So I will invite the respected missionary in charge, sir. He is coming again in the afternoon to also lead the session in the afternoon. I heard there is a session there, so I have packaged it as a gift for respected in charge staff to represent the Amir staff and himself. So please, in charge staff, Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Respected Amir Saab, respected Principal Saab and respected Secretary Saab Waqf Now and other all guests present here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We have heard a very comprehensive lecture from Maulvi Saab, as Amir Saab has just said. I would like to say only 1 minute or 2 minutes, one or two things. First of all, let me thanks to Secretary Saab Waqf Now. Since he has come in, he has been trying to improve the condition and situation of Waqfin now, and this Ijtima is part of that. May Allah the Almighty bless his efforts, and he should continue to improve in his good deeds. Ameen. Now I would like to say that those who are sitting here at Waqfin now, the only thing I want to request is that we call you Waqfin now. Why? Perhaps written here is dedicated children for the service of Allah. But there are some others you will find they also dedicated their lives in service of Allah. Like I am here also. Principal Saab is also here. Maulvi Saab who gave the lecture, he is also a Waqf Zindagi, a Muballigh. Then why Jamaat is spending money and gathering you here? Why Jamaat is trying to improve your spiritual and your educational and your knowledge situation so that you become a special child in Jamaat? Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Rabi Rahimahullah Ta'ala started a scheme, and when he started this scheme, the only thing he put in front of Jamaat is that you should dedicate your children for service of Jamaat, so that in future Jamaat may need, as the Jamaat will increase, Jamaat may need those people who are dedicated to service of Jamaat, only service of Jamaat. And you are those lucky ones, you are those fortunate ones who are here today in front of us in this country. Their parents has dedicated you before your birth, as Hazrat Khalifatul Masih Rabi Rahimahullah Ta'ala demanded from Jamaat. So the only purpose, the only thing which makes you different than the other children, than the other people, that your spiritual and your moral situation should be the best and the better than others in the Jamaat, number one. Number two, your level of obedience should be far, far better than the other members and other children in the Jamaat. If any other child who is not Waqf now, he is praying 5-time prayers, he is speaking truth, he is reading Jamaat literature, he is listening to Hazur's sermon, he is trying to obey whatsoever Hazur is saying, and comparatively a Waqf now child is not doing that, then there is no there should not be any preference of Waqf now child to the other child. Then in the sight of Allah, that child, in the sight of Jamaat, that child who is not Waqf now, he will be better than a Waqf now child. So I will request all the secretaries available, secretaries are Waqf now, that the only purpose of Waqf no children and their ijtama should be to increase them in knowledge, to increase them in their spiritual condition, to increase them or to make them understand that they should be the most obedient children in the Jamaat. May Allah the Almighty enable us to follow the instruction of Khalifa and instruction of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khairan jaza to respected missionary in charge, sir, for that advice to our Waqf Now children.